Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. Today, in this short video, I will be showing you how to do a hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy A11. So, if you're trying to open up your phone, you don't know the password, you need to turn it off, but it won't allow you to turn it off or restart it without the PIN code. Here's what you do. So, we'll try and turn it off, ask for the code. Even if we try to restart it, it still asks for the code. So what you want to do is you want to hold the power and the volume down rocker for about 15 seconds until your device powers off. As soon as your device powers off, we're going to click the volume up and the power button both at the same time, and that should lead us to the Android recovery screen. There it is. Now from here, you use the volume down rocker to highlight wipe data/factory reset, volume down rocker to select it again, and the power button. And now, once the formatting is complete, you can go ahead and reboot your system and you are all set.